In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an Instagram app and generate API token for your application. So to get started, head over to Google and type Facebook developer. So you can directly go into developer.facebook.com, click on the first link. Once you're in this site, make sure you're logged into your Facebook account, then click on My Apps in the right hand corner. From your dashboard, go ahead and click green Create App button. If you see a pop-up about a new way to create apps, just click on Create App and proceed. Now we need to configure the app, so go ahead and enter display name and confirm your email address is correct, then click Next. For the use case, we want to scroll down and bottom you can see Other, click on that and scroll down and click Other and click Next. Under the app type, select business to ensure you have access to correct permission. Just click next. Then now review your details and click create app. If everything is correct, now go ahead and create. Now for security reason, just type your Facebook password and it will create the app. Once the dashboard, scroll down until you see Instagram and click setup button. Before we generate token, we need to authorize a user. So in the left hand side, go to app roles and select the roles. Click on add people. In here, check for box that say Instagram tester. Then type your username of the Instagram account you want to connect to. So I'm going to type Tech Fury Help and click that and click add. Now we need to accept that integration. As you can see, it's pending now. So go on to your Instagram account, log into your Instagram account, go to More and click Settings. In here, scroll down until you see Website Permissions. Go ahead and click that. Now click App and Websites. Now go to Tester Invites and accept the invite. Now you are authorized. You can go back to Developer tab. Now if you refresh this page, you can see now the pending has been gone. Now it's verified. Now on the left sidebar under the Instagram, click on API Setup and Instagram Login. Scroll down until you see Generate Access Token. In there, you can see the Instagram tester we have added. Your account should be there. Now click on Generate Token. You'll be prompted to log into your account again for security reason. So log into your account. Then it will say the permission you want to allow. You need to press all this. It will automatically check box. So click allow. And there you go. You will get the generated API token. You can say I understand and copy the token and paste it in your project and use your account. Make sure to copy this token now because otherwise you can't retrieve back again. Keep it in a safe place so you have that API key. So it's really that simple, guys. Let me know in the comment section if you found this video helpful.